Welcome to week 2. This week we're focusing on your voice and your choice. This week it's all about noticing the choices you already make when you write in your everyday life. You're going to look at how your tone and word choices shift depending on who you're writing to and why. For your first summative assessment, which is due this week, you're going to reflect on real messages you have written and explore how audience, purpose, and context have shaped them. To begin this week, I would like you to explore our week 2 overview. This nicely lays out all expectations and gives you a brief understanding of what we're exploring in terms of topics. Then I would like you to explore all of our learning activities. This includes some videos and tools and mini readings. Specifically, I would like you to spend some time exploring the tools for investigating rhetorical situations. And that's going to look something like this. And basically, it is a asynchronous course. You'll start the course and go through it at your own pace. And it explores topics such as purpose, audience, structure, genre, context, and then it has a conclusion. These are terms that I want you to become very familiar with over English 110, and because they translate nicely into topics you will also explore in English 210. So understanding these elements and how they impact your ability to communicate is going to set you up for success. All right, then in this week's discussion, we're going to be talking about a time you shared some information with two people in two different ways. So sometimes you may communicate with like your children, and then you have to communicate the same topic to your children's teacher. Okay, so basically you're going to talk about how did you adjust your tone, structure, or word choice for each audience, and you'll talk about what influenced the choices you made in each situation. And then after that you complete that section, there's also going to be a chance for you to pre-write for your assignment, which is due at the end of the week of week 2. Remember that your initial responses need to be 175 words in total, and your 2 follow-up responses should be 75 words each. All right. Then we will have a video to review, and we have a journal entry to complete as well. Do not forget to click yes and summarize whatever you wrote about here, or you can include the journal entry as well. All right, then for our week 2 summative assessment, this is a summative assessment about the rhetorical awareness in real world writing. So basically you're going to reflect on your writing choices. In this assignment, you're going to choose 3 writing samples that you have. Okay, you're going to pick 3 short examples of something you've written, and these can include text messages, social media posts, emails, work-related writing, or any informal or semi-formal writing with a clear audience and purpose. And then you're going to examine each writing example from 3 different angles. And then there will be a short reflection. What does this look like? Basically, it looks just like this, okay? We're going to be writing a 700 to 1,050 word response. You'll have your first writing sample, whatever you picked. This is a email I sent to a photographer who's going to do a photo shoot for someone I know. And so I put that in here, and then I will analyze it with a lens for purpose, audience, and context, okay? And then I picked another writing sample. This is a work-related email that I wrote, okay? And then I would analyze that for purpose, audience, and context. Same thing. In this example, I chose an article that I actually have published, and it's a professional article regarding the use of AI to promote engagement, productivity in the online classroom. So I'm going to analyze that for purpose, audience, and context, okay? And then I have a personal reflection section down here where I will answer the following questions. What did you notice about how you adapted your tone, word choice, or structure depending on your audience or purpose? How did context influence my writing choices? And how might identifying purpose and audience and context help me write more clearly and effectively in the future? So basically a short little personal reflection after your analysis of your 3 writing examples is due. And that about sums it up for week 2. If you have any questions out there, please just let me know. Have an awesome day, and I look forward to more time with you. Take care. Bye-bye.